A good immersion blender changes everything. No more transferring hot soup to a countertop blender in batches. No more cleaning a massive pitcher for a small sauce. You just stick it in the pot and blend. I have tested the best immersion blenders of 2026 to find out which ones are powerful enough for tough ingredients, comfortable to hold, and easy to clean. Let's get into it. The OVENTE Immersion hand blender is the best budget option for users who want a simple, reliable blender for basic tasks. This lightweight blender is perfect for smoothies, soups, sauces, and shakes. The stainless steel blade is sharp and durable, blending ingredients quickly and evenly. The ergonomic handle is comfortable to grip, and the one-touch operation makes it simple to use. The blending shaft is removable for easy cleaning. Just rinse it under water or pop it in the dishwasher. The included whisk attachment is great for whipping cream or beating eggs. The 2-speed control gives you basic control over blending consistency. The price is significantly lower than premium competitors, making it accessible for anyone. For students, first-time buyers, or anyone who blends occasionally without spending much, this is the smart choice. Check the link in the description below. The ZKBHOME Immersion blender is the best value option for users who want a versatile 2-in-1 blender with both a blending shaft and a food chopper attachment. This powerful blender features a copper motor that delivers consistent power for blending frozen fruit, nuts, and tough vegetables. The 8-speed control with turbo boost gives you precise control over texture, from chunky salsa to silky smooth soup. The included food chopper attachment is perfect for chopping onions, garlic, herbs, and nuts. The ergonomic handle is comfortable to hold, and the non-slip grip provides control even with wet hands. The blending shaft is removable and dishwasher safe. The included whisk attachment is great for whipped cream and egg whites. For home cooks who want versatility and power at a reasonable price, this is a fantastic option. Grab yours through the link in the description below. The Ganiza Immersion blender is the best budget option with a food processor attachment for users who want a compact, all-in-one solution. This 3-in-1 blender includes a blending shaft, a whisk attachment, and a 500-milliliter food chopper bowl. The copper motor delivers solid power for blending soups, smoothies, and sauces. The 2-speed control with turbo button gives you basic control over blending consistency. The food chopper is perfect for small chopping tasks like onions, garlic, and herbs. The ergonomic handle is comfortable to hold, and the stainless steel blade is durable. The blending shaft is removable and dishwasher safe. The compact size stores easily in a kitchen drawer. For budget-conscious home cooks who want the versatility of a food chopper as well, this is a smart choice. I have linked the Ganiza down in the description. The Turelar Immersion blender is the best heavy-duty option for users who blend tough ingredients like frozen fruit, nuts, and raw vegetables regularly. This powerful blender features a robust motor that powers through thick mixtures without bogging down. The titanium-coated stainless steel blade stays sharp longer than standard blades. The 12-speed control with turbo boost gives you precise control over texture, from chunky to silky smooth. The included 600-milliliter chopper attachment is larger than most competitors, perfect for chopping vegetables or making small batches of pesto. The whisk attachment is great for whipped cream and egg whites. The ergonomic handle is comfortable for extended use, and the non-slip base keeps the chopper stable. For serious home cooks who blend frequently and need power and durability, this is the best option. Check the link in the description below. The Ganiza 6-in-1 immersion blender is the most versatile option for users who want a single appliance that does everything. This complete kitchen system includes a blending shaft, a whisk attachment, a food chopper bowl, a 600-milliliter mixing beaker, a potato masher attachment, and a milk frother. The copper motor delivers solid power for blending soups, smoothies, and sauces. The 2-speed control with turbo button gives you basic control. The potato masher attachment is a unique addition, perfect for making mashed potatoes or baby food directly in the pot. The milk frother is great for lattes and cappuccinos. All attachments are dishwasher safe. The compact storage base keeps everything organized. For home cooks who want one appliance that replaces multiple tools, this is the ultimate choice. I have linked the Ganiza 6-in-1 down in the description for you. That wraps up the best immersion blenders for 2026. Whether you want the budget-friendly simplicity of the OVENTE, the versatility of the Ganiza 6-in-1, or the heavy-duty power of the Turelar, every link is waiting in the description below. If this helped you find the perfect blender for your kitchen, hit that subscribe button for more honest product breakdowns, and I will see you in the next one.